Do you want to learn how to color with alcohol markers? Have you watched coloring videos and thought to yourself, I could never do that? Like any other skill, coloring with markers just needs a little guidance and lots of practice. And we want to give aspiring artists the tools they need to achieve their colorist dreams. That's why we're teaming up with Kelly Taylor for the ultimate alcohol marker educational experience. Colorful Expression, The Wonders of Artist Markers with Kelly Taylor is a 3-day class jam-packed with lifetime access video tutorials, easy to follow instructional documents, and useful tips and tricks to elevate your technique. Kelly will guide you through the process of creating beautiful handmade cards, enhancing your coloring and crafting skills along the way. The class runs from March 22nd to March 24th, 2024. Don't miss out on this exclusive experience to learn, create, and have fun. Don't miss out, we have limited spots available. Sign up for Colorful Expression, The Wonders of Artist Markers with Kelly Taylor by clicking the link below. We can't wait to see you there.
Hey there, Lydia here. I really do hope that you've just enjoyed the video. If so, please subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you can get your daily dose of crafty techniques and tutorials just like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.